The sun rises early. The sun rises early. I like cold water. I like cold water. She wears a red hat. She wears a red hat. He runs every morning. He runs every morning. We play in the park. We play in the park. They eat fresh fruit. They eat fresh fruit. The dog loves bones. The dog loves bones. The cat climbs trees. The cat climbs trees. The bird builds nests. The bird builds nests. The fish swims deep. The fish swims deep. The baby drinks milk. The baby drinks milk. The teacher speaks slowly. The teacher speaks slowly. The student asks questions. The student asks questions. The farmer grows corn. The farmer grows corn. The gardener plants flowers. The gardener plants flowers. The chef cooks rice. The chef cooks rice. The nurse helps patients. The nurse helps patients. The doctor writes prescriptions. The doctor writes prescriptions. The fireman rescues people. The fireman rescues people. The policeman directs traffic. The policeman directs traffic. The driver stops at lights. The driver stops at lights. The pilot flies airplanes. The pilot flies airplanes. The artist paints walls. The artist paints walls. The writer writes poems. The writer writes poems. The child laughs loudly. The child laughs loudly. The mother reads stories. The mother reads stories. The father works hard. The father works hard. The brother plays games. The brother plays games. The friend shares food. The friend shares food. The neighbor waves hands. The neighbor waves hands. The phone rings often. The phone rings often. The clock shows time. The clock shows time. The door opens slowly. The door opens slowly.